How to replace that battery on a Jeep Renegade 2020. If your car doesn't start anymore, it's on the key fob. If it's only locking or locking, but when you push 2 times, it doesn't start your car. You're gonna push this one right here, this lock. You're gonna remove the emergency key, and then with the same key, you're going to pry this open. There's gonna be like a hole right here next to the one where the key was in. Just like a pry to the left and right, and you're gonna open this one, and then the battery is going to be here. You just pull it out and replace the new one, and put it back again, same way. Just put it together and push it together, and put the key back, and then it's going to start working again. You can find this battery at Walgreens or any like a Walmart, and push 2 times, and it's going to start you Renegade to 2020 again. Thank you for watching. I need subscriptions. Need subscribers. Like it and share.